Brown package day. Yeah, that's right, folks. We got 2 brown packages for you. Let's take a look and see what's within. Package within a package. Gotta love it. You gotta love the package within a package. It's gotta be one of my all-time favorites. Oh. That, it was very satisfying. So we got some packaging slips in here. Oh, this seems to be there's nothing in here. Oh, thank God. Thank God it's in the packing slip. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. I should really mind my language there. Okay, let's take a look here. This is a 1/2 ounce Prospector round, and I actually am very excited about this because I was lacking in the 1/2 ounce department. I'm also lacking in the 1/4 ounce department, but you know, I'm quite stocked up now on the 1/10 ounce rounds, which I've paid quite a hefty premium for. But I'm really excited to pick up another 1/2 ounce round because it will allow me to make another set. And I'm just very, very all about making sets. To me, if I can make a set, that is a lot more value for me, because to me, I'm much more happy holding a set of 1985 Prospectors, fractional Prospectors, right? I'm much more happy to perhaps part with a set, maybe down the line, maybe. That's why I'm a big proponent of collecting multiple of things that I have. I like to ape any of the few eggs, any of the few baskets that I've placed eggs in, I guess you could say. Wow. This is literally the mother lode jackpot, and I am so excited about this. So we've been talking about, I mean, we've been stacking and showing you a lot of fractional, generic bars. You must be wondering, why the heck is SBS collecting this crap? You're probably wondering why the heck he's paying so much for crap like this as well. But this is when it comes down to generic novelty versus vintage fractional. So I'm extremely excited to pick up these extremely overpriced but extremely satisfying to look at Geiger original series rectangular 1 gram bars. Now you've seen, if you'll recall, you've seen the Geiger squares, the 1 gram squares. They come in a little package of 25 grams, super overpriced, even more overpriced than the Volcombi combi bars, sorry. However, all Geiger stuff is like that. All Geiger stuff is very overpriced, and so you're paying really for the brand. Is it worth paying for the brand? Right? See, Geiger still exists today, so this is not really fractional, right? Sorry, excuse my language. This is not really vintage. This is actually vintage because they don't make these anymore. But Geiger, the name, is not actually vintage because Geiger still makes products, right? You can still get Geiger products. Certain products, like those copper bars that I found, I think AppMex might exclusively sell those, perhaps, I don't know. Or maybe they just might be a new product. And so certain products, temporarily at least, may be difficult to source. Now, this, what you're looking at here, is actually a 5-gram square. Look at that a little bit closer. It says 5 grams. So, in addition to the 5 gram, I actually picked up these 1 grams. So this is in contrast. You can see the difference. That's a 5 gram. That's a 1 gram. So these 1 gram squares are rectangles. My gosh, I must have paid an arm and a leg for these. It must have amounted to, I don't know, the most I've ever paid per gram for sure. But it's very cool. The detail is meticulous, and it has that original, whatever that is, that logo. You still see that logo today on Geiger products. So anyways, I'm actually very, very excited about this, despite having paid an incredibly unreasonable and hefty premium. Well, this is the only person that was selling these. You know, I can go buy squares, 1 gram squares, all day, every day from AppMex until they run out. And then after that, it may be an issue. But these rectangles, you can't find them anywhere. So now I have them. So I'm very excited about that.